Once a week, I take a plain bar of soap and turn it into something very special. It may look simple, but you'll see in a moment why I keep doing this. For this, all you need is a scented bar of soap with a bright color. Most people already have one tucked away in a drawer, just waiting to be used. I grab a small potato peeler and start shaving the soap, just like you see here. The pieces come off light and soft, falling into a little pile. There's nothing tricky about it. Just shave slowly until you have a small handful of thin pieces. After I finish 1 or 2 bars, I move everything into a small glass jar. And if you don't have a jar, a simple plastic cup works just fine. You can save whatever is left of the bar for next time. Once the jar is ready, I set it aside for a moment. This step matters later, and you'll see why. The soap begins to settle, and the scent grows stronger. The pieces soften a little, and the smell spreads through the jar. I place it in quiet spots around my bathroom, and it gently adds freshness all day. It even works in other areas of the house. But the real benefits come next. Nothing goes to waste, because every little piece is still real soap. When I need a quick clean, I grab a small piece and use it in the toilet. It melts fast, wipes away dirt, and doesn't pollute the water. You can even use it to wash your hands in emergencies. And if you enjoyed this little trick today, don't forget to like and subscribe.